Class 7 GK from chapter 6 to chapter 10. Prominent people. She was a Kenyan environmentalist and a Nobel laureate who planted over 30 million trees through her Green Belt movement. Who is that personality? It is Wangari Maathai. He is the Chinese business magnate who co-founded the e-commerce and the retail giant Alibaba Group. It is Jack Ma. He is the technology entrepreneur, investor and engineer. He has co-founded several companies such as SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, OpenAI and PayPal. The answer is Elon Musk. He is a best-selling music artist whose awards include 9 Grammy Awards and an Academy Award. Lady Gaga. She is the Swedish teenager who has inspired a global movement by school children against climate change. Greta Thunberg. And he is a French footballer who won the Best Young Player award during 2018 FIFA World Cup. It is Kylian Mbappe. Okay, she is a Canadian novelist, poet who has won several awards, including the Booker's Prize. Margaret Atwood. She is the Prime Minister of New Zealand and the world's youngest female head of the government. Is Jacinda Ardern. He is an award-winning American actor, producer, musician, best known for his leading role in the movie series Pirates of the Caribbean. Is Johnny Depp. She is the former lady of US, first lady of US, an attorney, politician and member of Democratic Party. She is also contested the American presidential election 2016. Is Hillary Clinton. Tech Talk. It is a DLY virtual headset. Virtual reality or virtual reality computer generated simulation of a 3D image or environment. A person wearing a special VR headset can interact with the environment in a screeningly real and physical way. Some VR experiences also stimulate touch and smell in addition to audio-visual imagery. Google Cardboard is the best-selling VR platform that comes with a head mount for the smartphone. It has low-cost components that one can either put together on one's own or buy assembled units. Users download Cardboard-compatible apps on their phones, place the phone into the back of the viewer and view the content through the lens. So this is the picture you can see about the cardboard. It is something given as VR virtual reality cardboard. Then drones, Demis Stiphe, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV, a drone in an aircraft that can be guided by a remote control and can navigate automatically based on the pre-programmed software. Drones come in a variety of shapes and sizes that range from small radio control device to helicopter-sized machines. Drones, which were used only for military operations until few years ago and are now being increasingly used in other walks of life, from policing, search and rescue operations, and weather tracking and delivering medicines containing forest fire and tracking storms. Driverless cars. A driverless car is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment, moving with little or no help from a human driver. Such as cars are loaded with advanced technology such as a radar, a lidar, and GPS cameras and laser scanner that can sense their environment. The control system in the car evaluate the information about the obstacle, road signs, traffic signal, and other cars on the road to chart out and or navi- navigable path to the destination. The car's computer accelerate, slow down, and brake and push or pass without the human driver can touching or steering to a wheel or gear shift. So far, driverless car has logged a million of kilometers in turns in test runs. Most powerful rocket on 6th February 2018, Elon Musk company SpaceX launched the most powerful launch vehicle since the Apollo mission from a Cape Canaveral, Florida. The Falcon Heavy rocket carried a red Tesla Roadster car into orbit with a dummy driver or dubbed Starman. The Falcon Heavy, a reusable and can carry a payload of 60 tons into close Earth orbit. Its weight is equivalent to 5 double-decker buses. The three rockets tied together comprises two booster and the core module. All three can be recovered and reused. Sound interesting. Smart glass, called e-sight, are fitted with a high definition camera that records video and displays magnified image on the near to eye screen so that a person with reduced vision can also see clearly in the real time. Is a global language. There are roughly 6,500 languages spoken in the world. However, about 2,000 of them are spoken by viewers, fewer than 1,000 people. The most widely spoken language is Mandarin Chinese. They identify the principal language spoken in the following countries. This you can see the answer written. You can go through and refer and understand. Idea of India file. Over 1,600 languages and dialects are spoken in India. There are 22 official languages recognized by Constitution of India. Hindi and Bengali are the 10 most widely spoken languages in the world. Match the language with the state, union, territory where it is principally spoken. It is the answer also written beside. You can go through and understand. Then animal vision. The eyes of some animals such as cat, dog and lemur close in the dark because they have the layers of cells lining the back which act as like a mirror and reflect light. Two of the grasshopper 5 eyes are accompanied eyes are placed on either side of the head, contains thousands of single lens and that helps grasshopper see the front on the sides of the back. Unlike other animals, goats, horses, deer have the wide rectangular pupils that allow them to see a 330-degree angles. Humans can see up to only angle 188 to 185 degree. The eyes of the dragonfly are also so huge that they almost cover the entire head and provide a full 360 field of vision. The eyes of a chameleon are independent of each other. This means we can look two completely different directions in the same time. The gecko's eyes have many light-sensitive cells which enable it to see up to 350 times better than the human beings. It can even see colors in the dark. The colossal squid, a marine animal, had the largest eyes of any living animal. They measure nearly 30 centimeters in diameter, about the size of the human head. Source of life. Water is the precious natural source. As most of the Earth's surface covered with water, you might think that there are plenty of water everyone to use. This is not the case. Most of the water is found in the ocean. Since ocean water is salty, cannot be used for drink and grow plants, cook food, bath and wash clothes. For these tasks, we need fresh water which come from the rain and snow and falls into the rivers and lakes. Hence, it is necessary to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting is an ancient technique to store and utilize rainwater. You can see tank of Chandragiri Fort. It is the olden time. The rainwater that flowed down rocky hills was collected in the large tanks. The Chandragiri Fort near the Tirupati has two such water harvesting systems. Then Kanheri Caves, the another one. Buddhist monk living in the Kanheri Caves near the Mumbai cut grooves in the rock face to direct rainwater into small tanks which had been dug into a rock by them. Then water tank at Jaigarh Fort. The 18th century Jaigarh Fort near Jaipur had three underground tanks that several channels for rainwater harvesting. One of them could hold 10 lakh gallons, about 45 lakh liters of water. Then a kund. It is the people living in the Thar desert built several underground water storage tanks called kunds. The first known kund was constructed around 1607 CE by Raja Sur Singh in Rajasthan, Badi Ka Melan village. Then Naina Ghat Caves. One of the country's oldest water harvesting system exists about 130 kilometers from Pune. Along Nani Ghat is the Western Ghat. A large number of tanks were hewn into rock to provide water to thirsty travelers. Then another one, the step well. In Gujarat, a step well or bhabs were constructed to harvest rainwater. The bhab had steps and platforms leading down to the water tank. The five-story Adal Laj Bhan near Ahmedabad, built in 1499, is still in good condition. Step well found in Delhi are called Baolis. This we can see water harvesting different means, ways. Most places of India get good rainfall every year. If properly managed, this water can meet the requirement of people for the rest of the year. For rainy water harvesting, water is channelized from rooftops and open lands through sloping channel into the deep underground reservoirs or the water holes. This water is recovered and can be utilized all the year round for household requirement. In farms, the rainwater is collected through channels into a deep well and deep trenches dug all around the farm. Trees were planted on both sides of the trenches. This water can be used to grow extra crops or fodder for the farm animals. The only source of fresh water on the Bermuda Island is the rainwater. It is compulsory to harvest rainwater here.